guys, it's Amy. Thank you for watching. I hope you're having a good day. Today is going to be my IPSY bag unbagging. And the fun thing about this is that I don't know what I'm getting. Well, I know one thing because I traded in points. I don't know. I am canceling IPSY, but only just because they're not always cruelty free. It's not because I don't love IPSY. I do. I always get great stuff, and even if there are a few duds, the bag is still more than worth the $10. I mean, just the bag itself, you know, with no product in it. It's like I'd pay a few bucks just for that. So some of them even more. But anyway, I am a spoilers type of gal. On the 5th of every month, when we are allowed to peek at our bag, which you can do, and just personal information, IPSY is $10 a month, just a flat rate, no shipping charges or anything like that, and you get 5 sample size, sometimes 1 full-size product inside of a really cute makeup bag. And I've had it for probably a year and a half, 2 years now. So it's just time to say goodbye. Plus, with Mike off of work, we're only getting sub pay and everything, so it's just a good way to save money. So anyway, but you can, on the 5th of every month, you can look at what they have put together for your bag. And I always look. I always look. But I didn't this month. I was so proud of myself. I actually even got my shipping email, and since phones are so much bigger these days, at the bottom of the email it showed like the tops of the first 2 products, and I like covered them up real fast. I'm like, no, I can't see what I'm getting. Like, this is going to be probably my last month, and I just want it to be a surprise. I've never done that before. I did the same thing with my BoxyCharm. I didn't look at spoilers, and normally I do. So anyway, one thing I did know I was getting, because I cashed my points in for it, is Preventative Measures 101. I didn't have very many points. It was like 250. After Hours Lip Balm with Moisture Release Technology in Passion Fruit. So, oh, sorry, my cat's making noise. I can't do anything about it. And I have like perpetually dry lips. They're like the Sahara. So I just wanted to get a lip balm. And it smells really good. So I know that's not exciting at all, but it is what I got. All right, now for the bag. This is the bag this month for like Valentine's Day, February. And it is so pretty. The back of it's just plain, but anyway, yes, this is the bag, and it has a little tag that says IPSY on it. And let's open it up and see what the card is. I heard it's all about body positivity this month, and yep, it looks like it. There is a girl in a wheelchair, a girl with tattoos, girls of different sizes, men of different sizes. So there's that. And it's unzipped. Being sexy isn't limited to a certain shape, size, or age, and it's definitely not about airbrushing images beyond recognition. Sexiness is authenticity. It's real, it's confidence, it's celebrating the magic of your unique beauty and embracing everything you are. So that's what the theme is this month. I don't really know. I think that's just more of what IPSY's campaign is for the month. It's not the theme of the bag, like whereas BoxyCharm, they had Galaxy Glow and everything was like, you know, they had holographic and like shimmery stuff and, you know, stuff that went with the theme. I think this is, IPSY has like kind of like a campaign every month. And so that's what they're working on in February. And this is just too funny. I got a lip balm. I've never received a lip balm in IPSY before. Ever. So I got 2. This is the Jersey Shore Cosmetics Apple Harvest Moisture Rich Hydrating Balm. All natural, non-GMO, PETA certified, cruelty free. Let's see. It can be used to nourish anywhere on your face and body, particularly recommended for lips, hands, and even dry nose and cheeks, which is really cool because I had a cold like 2-3 weeks ago, and I was putting Lanolips like all up in my nose and stuff because it just, I don't know. I had some left over. It's the best stuff. I'm not going to buy it again because it's not cruelty free, but now I have this stuff to use instead. And because it's not just your lips that crack. Like I had eczema as a baby, and I have really dry skin now, especially in the winter. And so I don't know if you're going to be able to even see it, but right there, that pink spot is a scar from a scab from my skin being so dry just like a month or so ago. So anyway, let's see what this guy smells like. It smells like real apples, not like, yeah, it smells like real apples. It smells really, really, really good. Okay, next thing. A Luxie brush. I love Luxie brushes so much. Not the biggest fan of double-ended brushes, I will admit, but I have a few of them, and I do have a place to store them. I actually have double-ended brushes right back here, so I can just set it with those if I really need to. And yeah, this is a nice like flat shader brush. And sorry, I have a new monitor and camera, and I don't understand how it works because it's like a mirror image. So I feel like if I move to the right, which is what I'm doing right now, I'm going to show you in the camera what it is at the right, but instead it disappears. And then if I move to the left, like it's throwing me off. I need to do a few practice videos. I just said that in my BoxyCharm video that I just filmed. I need to do a few practice videos and figure out this whole backward monitor situation thing going on because it's like right underneath my camera, and so I can't avoid it, and I don't know. But anyway, this side is a nice fluffy blending brush, which I love. Luxie's blending brushes. They are amazing. So this is the 249. So there's that. What else did I get? Something from Seraphine Botanicals, which I actually got something from my BoxyCharm from them. It's a Healthy Glow Rose Gold Blush with a bunch of extracts in it. So it looks like this. The packaging looks like that. If you can see it. There we go. You can never figure out which hand is going to be the shaky one for the day. So it's usually my left one, but today it seems to be my right one. All right, this is the color, and I go this way, and you can see it. And let's swatch this guy. Let's hope you can see it. I turned my lighting down, but I have so much natural light coming in the room that it's really washing things out and causing a big problem for me. So it's right there, and it's in between some eyeliner that I recently swatched. I don't know. You can kind of see what it looks like. I mean, it's not a real dark color anyway. So, okay. That is that. What else do I have in here? I have from IT Cosmetics the Bye Bye Under Eye Full Coverage Anti-Aging Waterproof Concealer. It's your 8 hours of sleep in a tube. So let's see, it's in light, ultra fair, which is good. Good, good, good. Because I would not be able to use, I love their CC cream. Like, I love it. It's, oh my gosh, it's up there in like top 3. Like, I consider it a foundation because it's so full coverage. But, oh yeah, you would have more plastic on you, wouldn't you? I can't open plastic on camera. Don't you know that? It doesn't work well for me. All right. Let's see if it comes out. That is the color of it. If you can even, there we go. That is the color. Oh, and is that the color of the blush? Can you see it a little better now underneath it? And how does this blend in? Whoa, it's thick. It like spread all over. It's really thick. Yes, and you can see the blush. Well, that is actually a really good thing because I love the Bobbi Brown correctors, and sorry if I'm looking all over. Camera's right there, but I have like a mirror, a window, things are like catching my attention out the window, and then a mirror is like confusing me because I'm seeing myself and I'm not expecting to, because normally I'm facing the mirror doing my makeup. So I don't know. I'm just all over the place today. And to top it off, I woke up and realized it was Sunday and I didn't have a video ready because my BoxyCharm video had been corrupted and there was only audio but no video, and I hadn't refilmed it. I had an extra day because I started filming on specific days instead of every other day. I had an extra day even to film it, and I must have just spaced it. I don't know what my problem is, but yeah. Anyway, back to my point that actually matters. This is what this looks like in the tube. There we go. Takes a second for that focus to kick in. I love the Bobbi Brown correctors, but they're definitely not cruelty-free. So I can use this instead when I finally finish my corrector. All right, last thing in the bag. Last thing is the Pure Fully Charged Mascara, powered by magnetic technology. And of course it would be, ooh, something I can open easily. I just want to see what the wand looks like. All right, it looks like natural bristle. There we go. Looks like a good one. Looks like one that I like. I don't know. I mean, I've heard of it before, and I know that people really do like it. The Pure Big Look is my favorite mascara of all time. So Pure seems to make good mascara. So anyway, that was all I got. Unlike BoxyCharm, there is no way, unless you look it all up, of knowing the value. But I got the Luxie brush, I got the Pure mascara, I got the 2 lip balms, I got the Seraphine blush, and I got the IT Cosmetics which this is going to last forever with this thick as it is. So, I mean, this is a really big sample. So, anyway, I got all of that for $10. $10. You should sign up. Unless you're cruelty free, I guess. That wouldn't be good. But like the cosmetics is cruelty free. I think I know the Seraphine Botanicals blush is cruelty free. Luxie brushes are actually vegan. I know that for a fact. And like I said, this Apple one is PETA certified cruelty free. This one I would not have bought. It doesn't have anything on it, but I know I wouldn't have like turned in my points, cashed in my points if I hadn't researched it before getting it, because I remember looking at a few different things. So this is a cruelty-free bag, which my BoxyCharm was too. So that's actually pretty cool for my last month to get all cruelty-free stuff. But anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends, and subscribe if you haven't already, and also hit the notification bell so that you know when I upload. So I hope you are having a good day or night, and I will see you later. Bye guys. Peace out.